I just bought a new mic, and it's a Blue Yeti. I'm gonna do a opening on it and give it a review, see what I think of it. Alright, there you go. There we go. This is our USB cord. Comes with a guide as well. Phone. Here it is. Also comes with a start recording fast. So it's a software, but I don't think I'll need it because I got GarageBand. And this is the mic itself. Blue, looks very pretty. Had a mute button, volume, its own stand. Maybe I think these are different effect and stuff like that. And I think this is the gain. So I'm gonna test it out, see how it is, and yeah. But that's it. This is gonna be the review on the Blue Yeti, and I think overall I'm gonna give it a 4.5. It's pretty good. I liked it. If it's a little bit smaller or thinner, I would say it'll be a 5. But overall, I liked it. Has a lot of mode where I can change to, I think has like about 5 modes that I can change to, and looks overall it's pretty good. What mattered most to me is after recording and how it sounds during the playback. So this is gonna be a little playback that I did. It's a recording. Hello, hey, hi, what's up? Yo, so what is your name? Hello? Test, testing, test. So I feel like the playback is clear, has its clarity that I liked. I'm pretty satisfied with it, but I'm gonna give it maybe in 30 days or something, just play with it and play around with it and see if I like it to its full potential. But otherwise I think it's a 4.5, and that's it. Thank you guys.